Want to limit app usage on your iPhone for better productivity? Let's do it! Open the Settings app on your iPhone to begin. Scroll down to find and tap on Screen Time to access usage controls. Make sure App and Website Activity is turned on. Scroll down to the Limit Usage section. Navigate to App Limits by tapping on it. Then, click on Add Limit to start creating restrictions. Choose the categories of apps you want to limit, like social networking or games. You can also tap the arrow next to the category and choose specific apps if preferred. I'll limit social media apps. Set your desired time limit by moving the slider. Additionally, customize limitations for specific days. Confirm the time limit by tapping Add. This step ensures the restriction is saved. To prevent changes by others, set a screen time passcode by returning to the main screen time menu and tapping on Lock Screen Time Settings. Enter and confirm a memorable passcode to secure these settings. This ensures that only you can adjust the screen time limits. Re-enter this passcode. Add your Apple account info as a recovery method, or tap Cancel and then Skip. Remember, these steps help minimize distractions and maximize productivity. Subscribe for more simple, useful tips.